Hello friends, you have already made blueprint of a question paper. Now I am giving one example of the question paper. This question paper from class 7, subject mathematics, full marks is 25, time is 1 hour. Okay. So the general instruction is all the question are compulsory. So this whole question paper I am divided 4 section. Now section A, all the multiple choice question put in section A. So you have already made a blueprint. So from the blueprint, all the objective question you have to keep in section A. So question number 1 is, a quadrilateral has maximum dash pair of adjacent side. So students should know how many adjacent side, how many adjacent pair of adjacent side in a quadrilateral. So this question goes to the knowledge. So option A 2, option B 3, option C is 4, and option D is 1. So maximum dash pair of adjacent sides. How many pairs? How many pairs? So you have to write the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 2, because we are not solving the question here. Okay, just we are framing the question. Okay, sum of all angles of any quadrilateral is dash. 100, option A 180 degree, 320 degree, 360 degree, 380 degree. Which is the correct option? So the student will choose and write the correct option. So this question also goes to the knowledge. Now question number 3, a four side closed field, all sides are equal but all angles are not equal, is called, all sides are equal but all angles are not equal. So student already know the definition of different types of quadrilateral, so they can easily understand which shapes it become. Okay, so this question become to understand. Okay, now next question is, a quadrilateral has only pair of opposite sides of a a quadrilateral only one pair of opposite sides is parallel is called. Only one pair, not two, both the pair. Only one pair of its opposite sides are parallel. So the student know the definition of those types of quadrilateral. Okay, so they will identify which types of quadrilateral this one. So they should understand. So this question goes to the understand. Now question number 5. So the adjacent, the figure is closed. Actually the all the C are both the lines meet at C, but here is little bit figure is not complete, and A is also 1 point, so it becomes a quadrilateral. So leave it this question. Okay, so you know, you got the idea. Okay, you got the, this question goes to application because they are finding the fourth angle. Okay, angle ADC. If you join all the sides, okay, ADC, you will get the angle ADB. So ADB equal to how many degrees? So they will apply sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral. It become how many degree? 360 degree. They can easily find the angle ADB. Okay, so leave this question. Now all the question are section A, all the question are multiple choice and objective question. Now section B, very short answer question, keep in the section B. Okay, now question number 6. Pranita want to purchase a quadrilateral plot with angle 60 degree, 145 degree, 95 degree and 90 degree respectively. Is it possible? So she want to buy these types of quadrilateral, already given the angles. So all the angles should be this degree. Now question arise, is it Is it possible to buy such quadrilateral plot? So is she buy these types of quadrilateral? So if yes, then why? If no, then why? Okay, so this question goes to understand. Okay, so in section B, all the question are very short answer question. Now, how many vertices and angles of a quadrilateral? So this question goes to the understanding. How many vertices? So they know the vertices, definition of vertices. Then they will count how many vertices. They will remember, understand. So that question goes to the understand. So if you join, next question, if you join any pair of opposite vertices, then what you will get? So they know the definition. Okay, they know the definition. From that definition, they will find, they will identify which types, if the student will join the opposite vertex, then what they will get. So that question, that's why this question goes to the understand. Okay, now in a quadrilateral, next question, question number 9, in a quadrilateral, if opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal, so which types of special types of quadrilateral you will get? Okay, so this question goes to the understand, because all sides are equal and all angle are equal, so they should understand. So that's why this question goes to the understanding. Okay, now question number 10, sum of co-adjacent angle on same sides of a parallelogram is dash. So sum of co-adjacent, they know the definition of the co-adjacent, and here is question asking sum of co-adjacent angle of a quadrilateral of a parallelogram is dash. So this question goes to the understanding. So now question number 11, if you add all sides of a rectangle, then what you will get? So all side of a rectangle, they know the definition of the perimeter, but they are adding here all sides. So this question goes to the understanding. Now write one example of the rhombus shapes figure in real life situation. Rhombus, student already, okay, student already know know the symbol of the rhombus. Students should student also know the definition of the rhombus, and they understand all the properties of a rhombus. Now they are applying in their real life situation. So that's why this question is application. Obviously I can I say the answer? So Kaju Barfi is the real life example. Okay, now next question, Kaju Barfi. Next question, see, Kaju Barfi sweets which types of quadrilateral? Same question, just converted it. Okay, so rhombus type answer, application they are applying. Now the if LED television, flat LED television screen are which types of shapes? Just they will write the one word or one line answer. Okay, so that question goes to the application. Okay, now three angles of a quadrilateral, one quadrilateral is given, the three angles 60, one angle is 60 degree, one angle, another angle is 120 degree, third angle is 50 degree, and fourth angle is not given. So you have to find the fourth angle. So this question goes to the application, because student already know the sum of four interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and they will apply the formula. That's why this question goes to the application. Now question number section C, all the short answer question I have put it here. Okay, so in this figure, A B C D, the A B, you have one corner is A, second corner B, third corner C, and fourth corner is D. You have to consider it. Okay, so if in the adjacent figure, enumerate the pair of opposite vertices. They will write. Okay, they will write in the adjacent figure, enumerate the pair of opposite vertices. A opposite to D, A opposite to C and B opposite to D. So just they will write. Okay. Now from your surrounding, state one example each of the following, each of the things which are square and rectangle surface. So just they will give the real life example. So this question goes to the application. Okay, this question goes to the understanding. So this question goes to the understanding. You, I have written here U. Okay, so flat surface, square shape and rectangular shape. Table tabletop is the rectangular shape and chest board is square shape. Okay, so these are the real life example. Okay, now next question is draw a rectangle on the answer sheet with the dimension length 5 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. This question goes to the skill because they will draw, they will use the pencil, ruler, compass, whatever the material. Okay, and they will draw the diagram. So that question goes to the skill. So now section D, all the long answer question in section, sorry, A, B, sorry, here is D. Okay, please correct it. The section D, two section I have written C. Okay, but last section is D. So each question carries how many marks? 4 marks. This is the long answer question, and this question goes to the knowledge because the define the quadrilateral with help of the level diagram and name the different types. Define quadrilateral with help of the level diagram, level figure, and name the different types. They will define and they also write the name of those types of quadrilateral. So that's why this question goes to the knowledge, and this is the long answer question. So hope all of you understood okay, how to make a question paper, because you have already made blueprint of a question paper from class 3. How many marks? 60 marks. So now from those blueprint of the question paper, whichever you made, from those blueprint of the question paper, you have to make a question paper. Keep in your mind all the objective question in one group, all the very short answer question is another group, and all the short answer question is third group, and all the long answer question is how many, which group? D group. Okay, and beside all the question you have to write knowledge or understanding or application or skill. Which you have write the question. After that you have, beside that you have to write the objectives. That means which objectives fall this that particular question. Okay, hope all of you understood. Okay, good night.